everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make almond milk. So almond milk is good source of protein. So people who avoid dairy product and dairy milk, so they can opt for almond milk. So nowadays a lot of people turning vegan and they totally avoid milk and milk product. So in to get their daily source of calcium and protein, they opt for various nuts and plants milk. So like almond milk, soya milk, then you can make peanut milk, coconut milk, a lot of milk which is available in the market, which may be added with preservatives. So it's always a good option that we make it at home. So almond milk is very good. You can drink your coffee with almond milk. You can make chia pudding. You can give your children just a substitute of your regular cow milk. So it's same as like cow milk. So here I have taken 100 gram of almond milk, almond, and then I have taken half glass, that is 100 ml water. So I put it in a blender and I am going to make a paste out of it. So and then I am going to take a clean muslin clothes and then I'll squeeze out the almond milk very nicely. So depending on the how thick and creamy you want your almond milk to be, then you can adjust the water. The less water you add, the more your almond milk is going to be thick and creamy, and if you add more water, is going to be less creamy and thick. So with the help of the cloth, I'm going to squeeze out the milk very nicely and and then also with the residue, I'm not going to throw away the residue because almond is quite expensive and that is also edible, and I am going to make a recipe out of it. So here, see friends, I have squeezed out all the milk from the almond and here is the residue. And now with this almond milk, I am going to make my morning breakfast, chia pudding. So I love it chia because chia is a very good source of protein and it tastes very nice. It has lot of fiber, so it can keep us full for longer time. So look friend, how thick and creamy my almond milk is looking. So you can just drink your coffee, just warm it. You do need not boil it, just the normal milk. You can just warm the milk, almond milk, and add your coffee powder and drink it. So here I have taken half glass of almond milk and I have taken 3 spoons of chia seed. So I am going to mix it nicely and then I am going to cover it with a plate for 30 minutes because it will take 30 minutes for the almond milk to be the chia seeds to be soaked very nicely. So after 30 minutes, the almond seed, the chia seeds has been soaked very nicely in the almond milk. So it looks thick and nice. See how nice it is looking. So friends, now I am going to add here few chopped fruits and dry fruits. You can add a little bit of honey. So honey is optional depending on how much sweetener you want your chia pudding to be. You can add sugar, or I avoid sugar, so I add honey. And then I am going to add here 1 chopped banana. So the banana is also sweet only, but however only a little I added the honey. And now I am going to add here few chopped dry fruits. So see friends, here my tasty and healthy chia pudding is ready. It's a great option for our breakfast and also as a snack. And it's a great source of protein and it keeps you full for longer time. So here with the almond milk, I already made chia pudding, and which is very healthy and tasty. And with 100 gram of almonds, see I made this much, like almost 200 gram of almond milk. So this almond milk friend, you can use for various things. You can drink as it. You can also drink it with haldi, like how we drink haldi milk. Same almond milk, you can add a pinch of haldi, like turmeric, and you can drink it. and you can give it to our children as well. Now here with the residue I am going to make fritters, almond fritters, because I am not going to throw away the almond flour. So here I have taken 2 ripe bananas. So when you have overripe bananas, friends, please do not throw away the overripe bananas. So I have peeled and I have in the blender I made a paste of the banana nicely. I blend it properly. Now here I am going to add 2 spoon of rice flour, just 2 spoon of rice flour, and also I am going to add here 2 spoon of jaggery, in case you need, because almond is not sweet. So I have just added 2 spoon of sweeteners in case you want little bit of sweetener. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of sesame seed. So in order to make the fritters more nutritious, I am putting sesame seed, which is very good source of calcium, and we should eat sesame seed during winters. It keeps our body warm and gives us all the necessary nutrients. Also friend, I am going to add here half spoon of cinnamon powder, that is dalchini. So you know the dalchini powder will give a very nice flavor to the fritters. It tastes very nice. Most of my dessert, pancakes, I do add cinnamon powder. So after I mix the batter, I am going to fry it, in deep fry it. So in a pan the oil is been heated. So now I am frying the almond flour fritters. So it's very tasty. I have made it before also, friends. Please do make it at home and your children will just love it, because it's so tasty. The ripe banana and then the cinnamon, sesame, everything makes it a wholesome wholesome meal for the children. So it tastes very yummy, and also at the same time it is healthy. So when you make almond milk, please do not throw away the residue. Same way you can also make almond flour pancake, just with the same batter, little bit of butter or ghee in the pan, and you can make pancake. So today I did not make pancake. I wanted to eat the deep fried fritters, so I made it. And friends, trust me, it was very yummy. Please do make these almond flour fritters after you are done with taking the almond milk. So see how nice it is, crispy outside and very soft